Hello everyone, welcome to maths classes. Today we are going to discuss about some questions on domain and range of a function. We have already defined what is domain and range. Now come to the first question. Let f from R to R be a function defined by f of x is equal to mod of x. Find the domain and range of this function. Here our function is f of x is equal to mod of x. Mod of x can be calculated of every real number, whether that is irrational, negative, positive, whatever be the value of x, fx is defined. Domain is the collection of all the values of x for which fx is defined. Means हम fx की वैल्यू हर रियल नंबर पे निकाल सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई डोमेन ऑफ दिस फंक्शन इज द होल रियल लाइन एंड दैट कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस इंफिनिटी टू प्लस इंफिनिटी. नाउ कम टू द रेंज. Range means the value of y's. Means whenever we put the value of x in f and we get the value of y, the collection of all the values, f values, is called range. See, our function is mod of x. Whatever value of x we put here, if we put minus 2, mod of minus 2 will be 2. If we put plus 3, mod of 3 will be 3. If we put 0, mod of 0 will be 0. We are observing that we will never get the negative values. If we calculate mod of 1 by 2, answer will be 1 by 2. Means answer will never be a negative number. Always greater than equal to 0. Mod of x is always greater than equal to 0. Means y is always greater than equal to 0. Means greater than equal to 0 means beginning with 0 and going up to plus infinity. Close 0 to open infinity is the range of this function. Domain means the set of x values for which fx is defined, and for those x, what will be the values of y? Collection of all those y will be the range. So here domain is the whole real line and range is 0 to plus infinity, because mod will never attain a negative value. Now second question is, our function is f of x equal to 1 by x, wherever x is non-zero obviously. Find domain and range as well. Here our fx is 1 by x. So we can see, we can calculate the value of f for every x except 0. If we put here 2, fx will be 1 by 2. If we put here 3, 1 by 3. If we put here x equal to 1 by 3, then f will be 3, fx will be 3. But if we put x equal to 0, this will be undefined. Means plus infinity means we can fx is not defined whenever x is equal to 0. So exclude this value of x from the domain, and at all the values except 0 fx is well defined. Means रियल लाइन में से 0 को छोड़ के fx हर रियल नंबर पे डिफाइन है, तो डोमेन विल बी r माइनस सिंगलटन 0. दिस इज आवर रियल लाइन, दिस इज 0. 0 को छोड़ के ये वाला पोर्शन भी डोमेन का पार्ट है, 0 को छोड़ के लेफ्ट वाला पोर्शन भी डोमेन का पार्ट है. डोमेन विल बी माइनस इंफिनिटी टू ओपन 0. ओपन 0 मीन्स 0 is not included. So this is the domain. Means domain is the collection of all non-zero real numbers. Now come to the range. If domain is the collection of all non-zero real numbers and we put those numbers here, y will be the collection of non-zero real numbers. See, if x is 2, y will be 1 by 2. x is not 0. See, और जो भी डोमेन के नॉन जीरो रियल नंबर्स हैं, कुछ भी है, आप उसको रेसिप्रोकल की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. मीन्स आपके पास 2 है तो आप उसको लिख सकते हैं 1 बाई 1 बाई 2. 1 बाई 2 है वो ऑलरेडी लिखा हुआ है. मीन्स डोमेन विल बी माइनस इन्फिनिटी टू ओपन 0 यूनियन 0 टू प्लस इन्फिनिटी, as every non-zero real number can be written in the form of 1 by x. So this is the range. Now the third question. Find the domain and range of this function f x square plus 2. F is from R to R. Now our function is x square plus 2. This is our f of x. We can calculate the value of every x. We are not having problem with any value of x, whether that is a positive, 0, negative, everything. Means fx is defined for all the real values of x. The domain is the whole real line. Now come to the range. Range means we are calculating the variations in y, from where to where y will vary at all the points of the domain. Now y is equal to x square plus 2. We know that x square, that is the square of any number, will always be greater than equal to 0. Minimum value will be 0, otherwise this will be always greater than 0. Now adding 2 on both the sides, x square plus 2 greater than equal to 0 plus 2, adding does not change the sign of inequality. So left hand side, x square plus 2 greater than equal to 0 plus 2 means 2. X square plus 2 is always greater than equal to 2. X square plus 2 means y. Y will always be greater than equal to 2, means of closed to plus infinity. These are the values attained by y at all the domain points. So y belongs to close to infinity. So range is 2 to infinity. And our codomain is whole real line and domain is whole real line. So we can see that domain is real line, range is to close to infinity, codomain is whole real line. This is the real line, 0. Our range is 2 to infinity. So 2 to infinity is a part of the real line. 1, 2. Real line means collection of all the real numbers. Okay? So 2 to infinity is a part of the real line. This portion, open. So this is the range. So range is always a subset of codomain. Thank you.